Hi Year 3, another numeracy lesson. Today our target is I can make arrays. This is lesson 4 of our multiplication and division lessons. We have been learning about multiplication and we have learned this vocabulary so far. Equal groups, groups of, repeated addition and arrays, which we are learning about today. So first of all, we need to understand what is a row. Well, this is one row and this is another row. When you draw in a table, we draw rows going across and columns going down. So when we're learning about arrays, we need to know what the word row means. So, how many in each row? One row, two rows. So this question, how many rows are there? There's 2 rows. How many in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we understand what a row is. How many rows are there? 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 rows. How many are in each row? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So there's 2 in each row. Now we're going to go back to previous lessons when we've done repeated addition, because it's 2, add 2, add 2. So you're adding 2 3 times because there's 3 rows. We add them up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or a quicker way, if you know, 2, 4, 6. How many are there all together? That means in total. Well, there are 6 altogether. Complete the sentences. So how many rows do we have? We have 1, 2. How many are in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's check the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then repeated addition. How many on each row? So 5, add 5. What does that equal? Well, I can add them all up. There's 5 here, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or if I can count in 5s, which will make it quicker, 5, 10. How many are there all together? Well, we've worked that out already. There's 10. Okay then, so complete the sentences. There are how many in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in each row. How many rows are there? 1, 2, 3 rows. Then remember, it's how many in each row that you put into your number sentence for your repeated addition. So that's 10. 1 lot of 10, 2 lots of 10, 3 lots of 10, and then we need to find out how many. Now I can count in tens. 10, 20, 30. Hopefully you can too. If not, you'll need more practice. Or you can count each one, but which one's quicker? Which is the easy way to do it. And how many are there altogether? There are 30 altogether, and we put the answer that we've got from our repeated addition into this sentence here. Now it's your turn. Think about what I have shown you on how to do it. Work out how many are in each row, how many rows they are, add them up, and that's how many there are all together. Pause this video whilst you work out the answers. And here are the answers. So remember to pause the video, tick or fix your answers, and if you need to go back to any parts of the video because you're not quite sure yet, then please go back and do them before you're ready to move on to the next part of the video. Now I would like you to look at the pictures. These images are completed arrays, but the number sentences, the calculations, are all muddled up. Your challenge is to see which calculation fits with which arrays. Pause the video whilst you work it out. And here are the answers. Remember to pause the video whilst you're marking and tick and or fix. How did you get on? Dom says the matching number sentence is 5 plus 5 plus 5. But Kat says the matching number sentence is 3 plus 3 plus 3. Who do you agree with? And explain why you think that. Dom is correct. There are 5 in each row and there are 3 rows. So there are 3 rows of 5. What array could be built with 6 cubes? Can you draw the arrays down to see what you come up with? You've got 6 cubes. So you could get 6 of the same object, 6 pastas, 6 cars, whatever you feel, and work them out into arrays, into rows. See what you come up with. Pause the video whilst you're doing that and record your answers. So you could have had 2 in each row and 3 rows in total, or you could have had 3 in each row and 2 rows. Did you get them? And there we have it, your first lesson on arrays. Remember to hand in your work by walking to the school postbox, WhatsApping us, or sending us an email. I can't wait to see your work. I hope you're all okay and that you've enjoyed the lesson, and I'll see you again for another numeracy lesson tomorrow. Bye bye for now.